My creative people, this job opportunity is for you. Today, we are looking at three amazing job opportunities for people in the creative field and the creative side. The first one is creative director at a company called Superside. And as you can see already on the right-hand side here, they're telling you that they're looking for somebody full-time and to work remotely. So Superside is looking for a world-class innovative creative director and leader to bring the company's creative capabilities to the next level and spearhead the globally distributed team of top talent creatives. They deliver strategic creative solutions to brands such as Facebook, Amazon, Salesforce, Red Bull, Shopify, and they are growing incredibly fast and disrupting establishment with tech, innovative, and new ways of collaborating seamlessly around the world. So they're looking for somebody to lead the following categories and reinvent how creative is led and executed at a scale, and that is digital media. Okay, so the right candidate will have a unique ability to merge world-class creative thinking and craft with innovation and tech to help the customers succeed and will possess strong leadership and mentorship capabilities from experience within the fast-paced, disruptive, creative environment. They tell you what your day-to-day will look like at Superside. And then it will range from recruiting, mentoring, and growing a team of creative talents, leading and growing creative categories, defining and owning long-term strategies, collaborating with other team members, and so forth. And for you to succeed in this position, you will need a bachelor degree or higher with creative communication or similar. So anybody who has a bachelor in communication and stuff like that, proven results as a world-class leader, strong operational and business acumen, stellar portfolio and examples of innovating and driving results, excellent English verbal and written communication skills, strong passion for creative with the ability to inspire and drive excellence across the company, experience managing and growing a large team of people managers. So you need a little bit of managerial experience and entrepreneurial mindset, okay? They tell you why you should join the company. And every company always has kind of like a section like this whenever they are looking for top talent, and they tell you more about the company as well. If you are interested, then you just click on apply now, and then you're going to be redirected to the application form where you can apply either using your LinkedIn profile or include your first and last name, email address, phone number. Make sure you change the country where you are. And then your LinkedIn profile, your resume, CV, and include your cover letter and answer some questions that they have here and submit your application. That is for the first job posting. Let's look at another creative position opened. So here, the company called SourceGraph is looking for a product designer, and basically, given that we are an all remote company this year and hire almost anywhere in the world, we don't have a location requirement for this role. However, your working hours must overlap with 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. EST for at least 4 hours per week, which means you can set up your time in a way that for at least within 4 hours of your work week, you will be able to overlap with them. I guess it's for like in person lifetime collaboration and synchronous communication. So we are looking for a self-motivated product designer for our growth team. You'll be a crucial member of our exceptional high agency to achieve our company-wide mission of helping SourceGraph become the standard tool for searching and understanding public code. Okay, you will work collaboratively with product and engineering to create a highly functional and beautiful experience that delights a technical audience. They tell you what objectives you'll be able to achieve within a month, 3 months, 6 months, and so forth. This is for somebody who's a product designer with 5 or more years of experience and who has the skills to contribute to the growth team's objectives to bring the value of SourceGraph to all developers. They tell you more about qualifications, such as the ability to adapt your tools and processes to a fast-paced environment, UI and visual design skills, being a great communicator, and a lot of soft skills that I see they have included here. One of the things that really matter to them is the fact that you should be able to overlap your work hours with 8 to 4 p.m. It's a standard time for at least 4 hours per week so that you can have time to collaborate. You see, I was telling you guys earlier, synchronously when necessary. So they tell you what the interview process is in total, about 5.5 hours. That's a lot of time. But I'm pretty sure, or like they break it down for you, like it's not like just like in one day you're gonna do 5 hours interview and so forth. It's pretty interesting to read, and that just shows you how thoroughly these companies actually look at your application, which is why it's a good idea to always have a great and well-designed application so that you can stand out from your competition. If you need support in getting amazing cover letters and resume templates that will get you to shine from your and to differentiate yourself from your competition, make sure you grab my remote work starter pack. The link is going to be in the description box of this video. Okay. To apply for this job, you simply want to enter your first and last name, email, phone number, upload your resume or CV, attach your cover letter, your LinkedIn profile or portfolio showing the work that you've done in the past, and then answer the remaining application questions and click on submit application. All right. Now let's look at the next open job position. Here we are looking at a lead animator position at a company called Disruptive, and they are a veteran development studio specializing in multiplayer and online experiences. And they are expanding. They are a fully remote team with people who share the passion for collaborative multiplayer gameplay. So they are looking for a lead animator to support the team in animating an incredible game. That should sound like a fun job for people who like online games and stuff like that. So as a lead animator, you will be responsible for mentoring a small team of animators, creating prototypes, animations, and other benchmark assets, producing high quality keyframes animation with a focus on style, collaborating with design to define things like expression, timing, and animation styles, collaborating effectively with other arts functions, implementing and maintaining animations in Unreal Engine, and a lot more fun stuff. You will be ideal for this job if you have at least 5 years of experience in the gaming industry with 2 years of experience at the senior level. Remember, when you look at these job descriptions, you don't need to meet all the requirements. You need to meet some of them and really capitalize on the ones that you meet. Okay, you need to have a portfolio designed. Be comfortable with industry standard software and engine like Maya and Unreal Engines, experience in partnering with outsourcing team, and a passion for gaming. So if you don't really like gaming, I don't think you will enjoy this job. To apply for this job, you simply want to click on apply for this job here, upload your resume or CV, put your full name, email address, additional links, a link to your portfolio, whether or not you need to relocate to the US. I mean, they usually want to know that in the future, if you like for future purposes, but or if they have a job that is specifically for somebody who is US based, but this job is international. So you fill in your application, you enter your location, and you tick the box, and then you click on submit application. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up and drop a comment below to let me know what your skills category is and what kind of skills category you want us to cover in future videos. Until then, see you in the next video. Bye.